Namaste, Jai Bharat. There's a lot of discussions on ceasefire between US Iran. I never believed that this is going to be a reality personally. My reason was different, but it's not a reality in the sense that the ceasefire never took place. Let's call this a misfired ceasefire talks, and many people tried to cash on it. Like Pakistan, they just posed themselves as negotiators basing on all black and lies. But the ceasefire would not have taken place for the reason that my reason for not believing that ceasefire can happen is simply because I just wonder who in Iran is accountable. There is no single leadership in Iran, and the president no one listens to, and different fractions of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps functions differently towards one direction, of course, against for the battle, for the war. Otherwise, their structural differences are so strong that I don't think they will ever make a united decision. Not quite possible. Someone would say one thing and someone would say quite a different thing. So because of this disagreement among themselves on issues which we can more than what we can imagine, this ceasefire is an impossibility. I always thought right from the beginning. But again, when the ceasefire agreement was coming, I was very hopeful that could be, let there be a ceasefire, let the thing get over. But I was thinking that will Israel agree to such a ceasefire? I doubted. Anyway, they never agreed, as I thought. But the ceasefire misfired. The ceasefire misfired for various other reasons, because Iran was putting such impossible demands, and US was putting such demands which Iran finds it impossible. So, and until these things are met with, they are not going to hold a ceasefire. That's a story. Details are there available, but I'm just touching the periphery. That's necessary. That much is only necessary for primary, fundamental, rudimentary kind of information for information's sake. So the ceasefire did not take place. So this is not going to be a ceasefire at all. How will the war end? Unpredictable. One possibility of the war ending is that Iran will be totally incapable of doing anything by way of reacting, and I don't think it's in the immediate near future. It's far flung. If Iran succumbs to pressure, that won't be just because of the US, but that shall be because only of Israel. They are capable of making people kneel down in front of them. Their attacks will be unscrupulous. But US will do something and then stop it and give them breather space, and then they will again re-equip and come forward, and this drama continues. Precisely these things happened in Vietnam, Afghanistan, and US is notorious for continuing war for tens and tens of years. Not tens of thousands of years, but tens and tens of years. Whether it is Vietnam or Afghanistan or wherever they had been going, and this continues because of their lagging, slagging policy, and they think that is democracy, and maybe democracy plays a role in it. Will be objections from within, etc. The US president has to manage both the kind of things, and US of course do not have dumb opposition as we have in Bharat. They will simply object, and these people have the only profession of objecting to anything that the government brings. Therefore, whatever they are objecting becomes not very serious for people to see. That negativity is also there. Nonetheless, the ceasefire did not become a reality. I had thought so for different reasons, but now it has become not a reality for different reasons. Nonetheless, whatever the reasons, they all they are complementary in a way or other. We shall meet again. Namaste. Jai Bharat, Jai Sri Ram.